Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also some of these secret codes. So first of all, you have to open your phone application, open keypad on it and enter the secret codes here. And the first one will be *#06#, and this is the code which displays email information and also a serial number of your device. The second code for today will be *#4636#*##. This is the testing menu. Here you can see different informations about your device. You can see usage statistics. You can see some of the Wi-Fi informations here. Very useful code. The next code will be *#225#*##, and this is the code which opens the calendar info menu. You can see calendars here if you have some of them added. Next code will be *#426#*##, and this is the code for the FCM diagnostics Google service menu. You can see some of the informations here, I guess. You can also enable advanced view and see even more informations here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.